Saffron and black seeds are two spices that have been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cooking. Here are 5 benefits of each. Saffron. 1. Powerful antioxidant. Saffron contains plant compounds such as crocin, crocetin, safranal, and kaempferol, which act as antioxidants and protect your cells against oxidative stress. 2. May improve mood. Saffron has been shown to help treat symptoms of mild to moderate depression. 3. May have anticancer properties. Saffron's plant compounds may have anticancer effects, but more research is needed. 4. May reduce appetite. Crocin and crocetin, 2 of the plant compounds in saffron, may help reduce appetite and aid weight loss. Black seeds. 1. May help lower blood pressure. Black seeds contain compounds that may help lower blood pressure levels. 2. May have anti-inflammatory effects. Black seeds have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects in some studies.